Sabi ng verse 23 ng Romans chapter 3, "For everyone has sinned, and we," referring to everyone, "fall short of God's glorious standard." Lahat daw po tayo ay nagkasala at lahat po tayo ay hindi umabot sa standard ng Diyos, which is, by the way, perfection. Good enough is not good enough for the Lord. You need to be perfect. At dahil hindi tayo perfecto, we need somebody that will save us. That will be our representative. Na kahit hindi tayo perfecto, siya ang ating magiging righteousness and perfection. Why? Because all of us sinned and fall short of God's glorious standard. Pero ang sabi ng next verse, sa verse 24, kahit tayo'y makasalanan, yet God, in His grace, freely makes us right in His sight. He did this through Jesus Christ when He freed us from the penalty of sin. Yet God, in His grace and mercy, His sovereignty and in His control, binago niya ang ating sitwasyon. Yung dating makasalanan,